Hello, welcome back to Benny's Steak. I'm so excited to be having you in my kitchen once again. Today, this recipe, when I tell you this recipe has captured my heart, I mean has captured my heart. We're gonna be making some baked pineapple jerk chicken. You heard that right. It's gonna be a little sweet, it's gonna be a little spicy, it's gonna be all of the vibes that you need in your life. So if you haven't subscribed, I want you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. Your goal is trying to be reaching 1,000 subscribers, so definitely check me out, subscribe and show me some love. And also follow me on all these other platforms, because when I'm not cooking here, I'm either cooking on TikTok or I'm cooking on Instagram, and you do not want to miss any of those. So definitely follow me there as well. And let me stop talking, because all y'all here are greedy and you're here for the food. Let me stop. All right, so in here I have a few pieces of chicken thigh. I have about 5 or so. I have already washed them. What I'm gonna do, what I like to do, is to just go ahead and just put like little cuts right here, like so, all around, to help the chicken really season all throughout. Once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and set this aside. In your food processor or blender, you're gonna go ahead and blend this much onion. It's about 1/4 onion. Let's cut it, that way it's easier to blend. I'm gonna cut it real quick. We're also gonna add a full jalapeno pepper. If you're somebody that doesn't want it to be so spicy, go ahead and just remove the grains on the inside, but otherwise put the whole thing in there. Chop it up as well. We are also gonna add 3 cloves of fresh garlic. We'll chop it up a little bit so it's easier to blend. We are now gonna add about 4 chunks of pineapples. Now I bought it already pre-cut just because I didn't want a full pineapple sitting around, but these are the best pieces, the sweetest ones I could find, so these are the ones I'm gonna be putting in to blend as well. I have also washed these few pieces of chives. It's about, I don't know, maybe 12 or so, and I'm also gonna add this in here. Chop it up a little so it's easier to blend. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our dry ingredients. So I'm using this Cajun Bayou seasoning, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 tablespoon. Now the jerk seasoning, I chose the mild one because I don't want it to be too spicy, and I'm gonna be just taking a regular spoon, and I'll be putting about 2 of these. Using the same spoon, we're gonna be adding 1 spoon of olive oil. And now to make it easier for it to blend, I'm just gonna add yay much of water. Nothing crazy, that's it. This is what the consistency is looking like right now. It's a nice, beautiful paste, and we're just gonna use the spoon to put it on the chicken. If you're wondering, why does this girl have on gloves? Now is the time to use it. Been dipped in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and refrigerate it for an hour, or if you had the time, refrigerate this overnight. I've just put a little olive oil on the pan, and I'm just using a little paper towel to oil it up. And I have some here leftovers. I'm gonna just add it to some beans that I'm making for extra flavor. I'm also gonna take 2 of these and just like place it somewhere on the tray for just that extra heat if you care for that. And because I love rosemary, please do not skip this step. It's just like regular rosemary. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit, nothing too crazy, because rosemary is strong. You don't wanna go wild with it. Just to be fancy, this part is optional, but I love a little greenery. I'm gonna throw some dried parsley right at the top, that way it can give a little bit of a greenery, or je ne sais quoi. Already Alrighty, there you have it. The chicken was juicy, it was spicy, it was tender, it was all of the things that you need to lead a fulfilling life. You heard me right. This chicken is about to change your life. So when you do make it, please definitely tag me on all of my social media platforms. You can find me on TikTok, you can find me on Instagram. Definitely tag me on there, and definitely make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, because your girl is trying to grow her content creation career. So definitely show me some love, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye, Z's.